As you go into the outside world, armed with the knowledge and equipped with the values instilled in you by ICC, embrace diversity, champion inclusivity, and dare to dream audaciously. Education has no name, but it is a gem that people need.
Now I am standing in front of you, delivering my address of gratitude as living testament that dreams do come true and hard work pays off.
The education you received here isn't just about the facts you've learned or knowledge that you have learned. It's about learning how to learn.
Today, as you commence another chapter of your life, we want you to come out from your shells. Start crawling, walking, running, then eventually flying to reach your dreams. Remember, the choice is yours, and we believe in your potential. Welcome to our 30-second commencement exercises, everyone. And congratulations, Batch 20.
Pull the windows down, the night was young. So
Kung hindi ka naniniwala na may mararating ka sa buhay, talagang wala kang mararating. You must believe that you can achieve your dreams one step at a time. Dapat naniniwala tayo sa pagpupursige sa buhay na kapag may gusto ka, dapat pinaghihirapan mo yun. Dapat unti-unti naniniwala ka na maabot mo ang pangarap mo.
sunrise, I ever was lost in the flame. Sunrise from my weary heart that a new day will soon arrive. New day will soon arrive.
Ang mga itlog na nilaga ay wala ng pag-asang maging sisiw.
Pull the windows down to the wild wind.
We know college life is challenging, but I know it is also enjoyable. Thanks to the people who make our college days memorable. Kailangan talaga natin ng partner, katuwang sa pag-aaral.
Sunrise, I ever was lost in the flame. Sunrise from my weary heart that a new day will soon arrive. New day will soon arrive.
Sa 4 na taon o maaring mahigit pang pamamalagi nyo sa ICC, kayo ay nagmistulang mga itlog upang sa takdang panahon ay kumilos na basagin ang inyong shells at maging ganap na lawin na kulay asul, Blue Hawk, ang simbolo ng ICC.
Sunrise, I ever was lost in the flame. Sunrise from my weary heart that a new day will soon arrive. New day will soon arrive.
I'm sorry to tell that the graduates of ICC for 2024 are not the good ones because they are the best graduates of ICC for 2024. Thank you very much and mabuhay kayong lahat.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass.
Yakapin mo ang buhay mo for all of its joys, pains, defeats, victories, and ups and downs. Huwag kang matakot na magkamali. Yan ang message sa ating mga graduates. Dahil sa bawat pagkakamali, natututo kang bumangon.
This is the good life. This is the
Sa ICC that become my training ground for honing my skills. Thank you po sa ICC. Congratulations to the graduates of class 2024. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
So again, congratulations, my dear graduates. The future is yours to shape. Embrace it, explore its boundless nature, realize your potential, and make every tomorrow better than today. Not only for yourself, but also for all of us.
in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.